Vectrax Toolroom Lathe. It's a HLVH copy. It's variable speed from 135 to 2955 RPM in 2 ranges. It works. It has the hard-inch cam lock spindle. It has a Newall 2-axis digital readout, which works in both axes. Here are the power feeds. I'll do the Compund. And Carriage. I want to speed it up. Slow it way down. Variable speed over here. Both at the same time. Spindle off. There's a 5C lever collet closer. Has English metric threading, and we have the change gears. There is the attachment for taper and a follow rest and a whole ton of collets. 5C collets.